How to upload a PDF on DeepSeek AI. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily upload any kind of PDF or any document on DeepSeek AI. First thing you have to do is open up the AI application. You can download it from both Google Play Store as well as App Store. And then you just need to make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you can type in any message you want here. Then you'll have the plus icon right beside the send button. So go ahead and tap on this plus icon. And now you can take a photo, select an image from your gallery, or select any kind of document. Tap on document. And from here, you should be able to select any kind of document you want. So let me just go ahead and go to this. And I'm just going to go ahead and open documents. So I'm just going to go ahead and head over to the documents folder, and here is a PDF. So I'm just going to select it, and then you can ask the AI to do anything with the PDF. So let me just say that I'm just going to type in something like convert this to a Word document. I tap on send, and it will automatically read the document and give you the conversion of the document. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.